Hi everyone, I'm Dr. Susan Brown. Welcome to Alkaline for Life. Today I'm here with my assistant, my great research assistant, Heather Felice, who's a nutritionist. And I asked her to talk with me about quercetin. Quercetin is a flavonoid that we have been using here for many decades in my nutrition research. I found it to be terrifically powerful as an antioxidant, as an anti-inflammatory, great for the joints, great for any kind of pain. So I got to thinking, what else might quercetin be useful for?
We all know quercetin's a great antioxidant, which is very helpful in brain health because it helps protect you against things like hydrogen peroxide that can cause that oxidative damage in the brain.
So it actually protects the neurons from oxidative damage?
Yes.
Okay, great, okay.
Secondly, it helps activate the brain cell's own natural defense system, that NRF2.
Oh, the very sophisticated system that the brain itself has defense against toxins. Perfect, and it activates that. Okay,
Yeah,
great.
enhances the brain's own function. In animal models, it's been shown to help preserve brain activity in degenerative diseases like Parkinson's and Alzheimer's.
Oh, I think I saw that research that even if you're starting to have Parkinson's and Alzheimer's, using quercetin can help to reduce the impacts, help to protect the neurons.
Yeah, it can help prevent that accumulation of that amyloid beta.
Oh, excellent.
Yes.
Great.
So that's another great benefit of it for the brain. It can also help remove those old damaged mitochondria cells from the brain.
Oh, and this is so interesting how the body is constantly destroying and recycling old tissue. It's called autophagy, and creating new tissue, so it actually helps the brain clear out the junk in its mitochondria.
Keeps it all new and fresh for you. Last but not least, quercetin, again in animal models, but it's been shown to help stabilize mood in a bipolar type situation.
How neat. So it has so many benefits on the brain. The quercetin we use is a very bioavailable, special kind of professional grade quercetin that actually is combined with pomegranate. Pomegranate is a food that has many qualities. Does pomegranate have much to do with helping the brain out?
Pomegranate, the superfood that it is, does help out the brain as well. So again, it also helps prevent that amyloid beta accumulation, like Alzheimer's and Parkinson's disease. But it's also been shown in a human study to help improve the memory function in people. So people took pomegranate juice, and the group that did take that over a few weeks, they showed more brain activity on the MRI and improved memory.
Isn't that striking? Here at the Center for Better Bones and Alkaline for Life, we have a whole book of research on quercetin. We're going to be sharing it with you because it's become our mission to help the public know about these great food factor nutrients that when taken in any dose are helpful, in higher dose are extremely helpful. And today you've seen how quercetin combined with pomegranate can help to really protect the brain. Be well, and we'll be back to you soon.